Another day, another story. What is e-learning? E-learning refers to electronic or digital learning, which is a type of education that is delivered or facilitated through digital technology. It typically involves the use of online learning platforms, websites, or multimedia resources to provide educational content and facilitate learning. E-learning can include a wide range of activities, including online courses, webinars, virtual classrooms, multimedia presentations, and more. E-learning provides students with flexible, accessible, and cost-effective ways to learn and is often used as an alternative or supplement to traditional in-person learning. How do you make e-learning? To create e-learning, you can follow these steps. 1. Define your learning objectives. Determine what you want your e-learning to achieve, and identify the knowledge and skills you want your learners to acquire. 2. Choose your format. Decide what type of e-learning format will best meet your learning objectives and audience needs. 2. Options include online courses, webinars, virtual classrooms, video tutorials, and interactive multimedia presentations. 3. Plan your content. Outline the content you want to include in your e-learning, and consider the best way to present the information in an engaging and effective manner. 4. Gather or create materials. Obtain or create the resources you need to develop your e-learning, including text, images, audio, and video. 5. Develop the e-learning. Use a development platform or software to create the e-learning, including all necessary multimedia components, interactivity, and assessments. 6. Test and refine. Preview and test your e-learning to make sure it is functioning as desired and make any necessary adjustments. 7. Publish and distribute. Publish your e-learning on an appropriate platform, such as an LMS, learning management system, or an e-learning marketplace, and promote it to your target audience. These steps can vary depending on the type and complexity of the e-learning you are creating, and it may be helpful to work with a team of instructional designers, multimedia developers, and subject matter experts to ensure a high-quality outcome. What tools are used in e-learning? There are a variety of tools that are commonly used in e-learning, including 1. Learning management systems, LMS. These are platforms that provide a centralized location to manage, deliver, and track e-learning content and assessments. 1. Examples include Moodle, Canvas, and Blackboard. 2. Content development tools. These tools allow you to create and design your e-learning content, including multimedia presentations, interactive simulations, and assessments. 2. Examples include Articulate 360, Adobe Captivate, and iSpring. 3. Video conferencing tools. These tools are used for live virtual classrooms and webinars, and allow you to conduct live, interactive sessions with learners. 3. Examples include Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx. 4. Assessment tools. These tools allow you to create and deliver assessments as part of your e-learning, including quizzes, tests, and surveys. 4. Examples include Google Forms, Kahoot, and ProProfs. 5. Authoring tools. These tools allow you to create e-learning content and resources, including online courses, e-books, and infographics. 5. Examples include Articulate Storyline, Adobe InDesign, and Canva. 6. E-learning marketplaces. These are websites that serve as a platform to sell or distribute your e-learning content to a wider audience. 6. Examples include Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. 7. Analytics and tracking tools. These tools allow you to track and analyze the usage and effectiveness of your e-learning content, including learner progress, completion rates, and assessment scores. 7. Examples include Google Analytics, Hotjar, and Piwik. It's important to choose the right tools based on your specific needs, budget, and target audience, and to continually evaluate and update your tools as needed to ensure a high-quality e-learning experience for your learners. How to earn income from e-learning online. There are several ways to earn income through e-learning online, including 1. Creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable. 2. Offering one-on-one tutoring or coaching services through platforms like Skype or Zoom. 3. Developing and selling e-books or other digital resources related to your area of expertise. 4. Affiliate marketing, where you promote e-learning products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. 5. Running a membership site or subscription-based service, where members pay a monthly fee for access to exclusive content and resources. 6. Sponsored content creation and promotion through your own blog or social media platforms. 7. Offering consulting services for individuals or companies looking to integrate e-learning into their training programs. It's important to identify your niche and target audience and to continuously create high-quality content that adds value to your audience in order to succeed in e-learning online. Thanks for watching.